Hi, this is Tim Bost with FinancialCyclesWeekly.com with some news about hot profits we're showing right now in the stock market, with some techniques that we're sharing with Astro-Traders at FinancialCyclesWeekly.com. Our members at FinancialCyclesWeekly.com each week get a newsletter by email, which is also printed on our website. Is the Stocks to Watch section in each week's letter. We highlight 2 to 4 stocks each week that we think have potential for trading on the basis of the astrological factors at work with these stocks. Now, last week on the 24th of October, we identified a possible short sale with Integrated Silicon Solution Incorporated, traded on the NASDAQ. The symbol is ISSI, and we were looking at some planetary price lines suggesting potential resistance for this stock. So we plan to sell the stock short early in the trading week based on the intersection of first-harmonic Mercury and Poseidon price lines with the stock. Now, if those current planets and cycles agreed, and if we saw the stock behaving according to our expectations, we looked at this as a large potential trading opportunity. This is what we sent our members last week on the 24th of October, with the trading in the stock showing the planetary price lines for Mercury, which is the magenta line, and the blue line in this case is Poseidon. And as we've seen throughout the trading history, these particular planetary price lines have helped nail support and resistance for this stock, which is what gave us an idea about its trading potential. We were interested in looking particularly at an upcoming intersection of the first harmonic manifestation of these two planetary price lines, and our forecast was that we would see a resistance on or about that point, and our expectation was that we would see a very strong downward move in the price of the stock. So this is what happened with the actual trading. We began the trading week on Monday, the 25th of October 2010, with a move upward in the stock, and so we decided to sell short at $9.15 on the 25th of October. This was a positive price move, right in line with our expectations for the potential short sale on the stock. We had not yet hit the planetary price lines we were looking at, but we saw confirmation in the fact that the stock opened higher on Monday. We wanted to get into the trade at that point. As we went through that trading day, we saw some clear support at $9.05 throughout the trading day. We were obviously hoping for a stronger down move at that point. We were not seeing it, and it looked like we were getting a very clear basing at $9.05. Later in the trading day, or rather the beginning of the next trading day, however, on Tuesday the 26th of October, we did get a big price move down, a confirmation of our short position, but we had not seen any action near the planetary price lines that we were looking at. We saw on the 26th, later in that trading day, a very clear double bottom pattern. We're looking at all these intraday charts with 5-minute price bars, by the way, and with this double bottom in place, we anticipated a higher move for the stock. We weren't sure whether it would continue to trade in the range it had been experiencing on Monday or not, but as it turned out, it went into some congestion and then made a big move up at the opening bell the following day on the 27th of October. On Wednesday the 27th, a big move took it back up into the same price range where we had originally sold the stock short, and it was trading above the $9.15 level at the opening on the 27th of October. Then later in the trading day, we saw continuing upward pressure for the stock. We got a good confirmation of the double bottom pattern on the 5-minute bars as holding here and signaling higher prices ahead for the stock, but we were still not in the range of the planetary price lines, at least not until a little later in the trading day on the 27th of October, and we encountered the first harmonic Poseidon line, and we were looking for this as one of the potential places to find some resistance and to see this stock turn around. As it happened, it did not provide the resistance. The Mercury line, which was running slightly higher, a penny or two higher than the Poseidon line by that point, after the exact intersection of these two lines, was our next potential place for resistance. The Mercury magenta line here, we saw a little bit of trading in a 5-minute bar above that, but no closes above that line, and then sure enough it provided some very, very clear resistance as we move through the remainder of the trading day. On the 27th of October, you can see the impact that the planetary price lines had in turning the price of this stock around. And then in fact on the 28th, on Thursday the 28th of October, we open with a gap down, and here we'll notice the harmonic manifestations of these planetary price lines. At the top of the chart are the first harmonic lines. The one in the middle is the fourth harmonic, and this is the second harmonic price line. We saw a gap down over the fourth harmonic in a very dramatic fashion, going all the way down to the second harmonic price line between these two planetary bodies, and so we were looking for action along that level. Interestingly enough, we soon discovered within that same trading day on the 28th of October the resistance being formed on the second harmonic planetary price lines, which held up very, very nicely not only through that trading day but on into Friday's trading on the 29th of October as well, with these planetary price lines acting very, very strongly here to restrain the price movement of the stock. Now here's how things looked by the end of the trading day. We had moved even farther down below these price lines, again with the 5-minute price bars on the chart. Now this is a review of the entire trading week. Over on the left here we have the beginning of the week, and we've indicated with a blue horizontal line across the chart the $9.15 level where we sold on Monday with this trade, and then below that is where we've set the stop at the end of the week, a buy stop at $8.20, locking in some of the profits. We could have put a stop in at any of these planetary price lines, but preferred instead to come a little below the fourth harmonic line and lock in as much of the profits as we could. If we see the stock continue to move more to the downside, then we'll be looking at these lower planetary price lines to set our buy stop level and lock in more profits on this short sale. So this then is a picture a little bit longer term, going back to daily price bars to indicate the degree of the move that we've seen, again based exactly on this intersection of the planetary price lines. We were able to announce this in advance in our Stocks to Watch column in FinancialCyclesWeekly.com. Our gold members were able to share that information to set up this trade well in advance of the big move down to the short side to take advantage of this trading opportunity. Again, Financial Astrology presents some extraordinary opportunities for astro traders, and the astro trading advantage can make a very, very big difference in your personal trading as well. You can get this weekly Stocks to Watch feature as a gold member at FinancialCyclesWeekly.com. You can get a trial gold membership which gives you 21 days to experience aspects of the astro trading advantage. Go to http://tinyurl.com/tryfcw to get information about the trial gold membership at FinancialCyclesWeekly.com. This is Tim Bost at FinancialCyclesWeekly.com. Thanks so much for watching.